Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. A little late update today, but you guys know we can't be missing out the update. So we're back. One of the best days for the month of October we're seeing today. You can see Solana is up 9.3%. Bitcoin is back above $28,700 resistance. Things are looking great. So you guys know what we're going to be talking about. We're going to be discussing Solana, a project that I've been telling you guys on my channel is extremely bullish and how it's being overlooked, and now I'm seeing people really seeing the potential of Solana this time around and how undervalued it really is compared to some of the projects, and that is why a lot of buying pressure is coming into Solana as we speak. Because if we're looking at it on the weekly time frame, it's up 18.8%, and if we're looking at it on the monthly time frame, it's up 26.3%. so you can see it has a lot of momentum and it's outpacing the entire market. If we're looking at the markets today, guys, this is a wonderful day. As I've mentioned, green across the board, and of course Solana is outperforming every single project in the top 100 coins, up 19.3% on the 7-day time frame, and it's up 10% on the daily time frame. So let's take a further look at it to see what is happening, what are some next price targets we could be aiming for. But as always, just a quick disclaimer that anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So looking at the price, as of October 19th, it's currently sitting at $25.46. As mentioned earlier, up 10% on the daily time frame, and it's also up 6.4% in Bitcoin comparative over the past 24 hours. Looking at its market cap, $10.5 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume has almost doubled, compared to last week, and we're almost approaching that $1 billion mark for that as well. So it's no secret at this point, a lot of interest is coming in Solana, and I think this time around we could be heading towards a new yearly high sooner than a lot of people think. So now let's take a look at the price, because of course that's what everyone is here for. What you can see for yourself right now is we are retesting once again some insane levels of resistance. You can see this for yourself. We have had this resistance pretty much play out for us throughout the year of 2023, and we're finding ourselves exactly at that resistance once again. We did clear the lower resistance at $24.75 because of course that is a resistance as well, but now we're facing the most important resistance, because after this gets cleared, we could be seeing a $27 Solana in the upcoming days ahead of us. And if Bitcoin is able to push towards 30K, because right now, like I said, Bitcoin is sitting above the $28,700 mark, and you guys know how much I love that area, how I think that is the safe zone for Bitcoin. And right now, the price of Bitcoin is sitting above that range. So we could be making a rally towards the 30K range. And of course, that is going to help out the cryptocurrency market, especially altcoins. And we could be seeing an altcoin rally occurring. Of course, dominance is still quite high. Bitcoin dominance index is again sitting closer to new yearly highs. We're not seeing those explosive types of moves in altcoins. Of course, you can see this for yourself. If I go on the daily time frame, we're seeing 2.8% gain, 4.1. Of course, it's pacing Bitcoin, but we're not seeing those outperformance happening, except of course for Solana, and XRP is seeing a great day today. STX. Majority of the market is still lagging behind Bitcoin and Bitcoin dominance. So, looking at Solana, like I said, especially when you look at it on the hourly time frame, things are looking great. And next target that I'm aiming for is $27, and of course that is a resistance. You can see this for yourself. Pretty much throughout the year of 2023 we did get stopped out like 5 times before we broke out of here in July. So do expect a little bit of a retracement once we touch this $27 mark. I wouldn't be surprised if that does happen, but if the volume is on our side and Bitcoin does go towards 29.5 to even 30K zone, I would not be surprised if we crack past that resistance and start heading to our yearly highs at $32.26. You guys know, of course, my main target that I always talk about on my channel regarding Solana is $40, but we need to keep in mind that there is some resistance that will come in our way once we break out of this $27 range. So these are some factors that you guys need to keep in mind. But I want to hear from you guys. Do you guys think that there is a potential ETF or some institution interest coming in that we do not know about? Because like I've said, we're seeing Solana outpacing majority of the markets even after that false announcement that came out regarding the Bitcoin ETF being approved for BlackRock. We did see Solana along with Bitcoin Cash and Bitcoin SV, they were performing. And usually, like, if anyone was talking about an ETF approval, no one would be really discussing Solana being one of the top performers. So that tells me there is something going on. And speaking about institutions, I've shared some news over the past few days that institutions are showing interest in Solana. The biggest rumor that I really like seeing, and of course a lot of people are talking about this, not even sure if this is a rumor at this point, and that is of course that FTX balance sheet does own Solana, and institutions are willing to pay FTX to buy those Solana. So rather than dumping it, they could just take it off of their hands. So again, that could be something that could be in the play, but we will see what happens. But nonetheless, Solana continues to outperform, and I am looking to be accumulating more Solana before the year of 2023 comes to an end, because I think that Solana is going to be one of the top performers in that next bull cycle. So let me know down below what you guys think right now. Are you guys holding your Solana? Are you guys staking your Solana? Which other projects are you bullish on? And what do you think is happening with Solana right now that is causing such an outperformance? Of course, there could be some people coming out and saying that, hey, Solana is just undervalued because of course, the FTX, FUD that we have seen, and obviously SEC came out mid this year and said, Solana is a security. Obviously, those factors do, come into play that could cause a little bit of sideways momentum and not much interest coming in. So, but really after that XRP case that, XRP won, that long-awaited case, we did see Solana break out and, hit a new yearly high. So that tells a lot. There's a lot of conversations to be had. But like I said, I want to know from you guys in the comment section your personal thoughts on this. And where could you see the price of Solana trading at before quarter four of 2023 comes to an end? I want to know from you guys, so let me know in the comment section. And like I said, also let me know which other coins you are bullish on in the comments down below. But with that said, thank you so much for all your continuous support. Continue supporting, and I will continue making these updates for you guys. But with that said, we'll see you tomorrow. Been Crypto ZX, and peace out.